Okay guys, so welcome to the new topic. In this topic we focus on verification and validation of simulation models. Those concepts help us understand if a model is correct and if it can be trusted. The goal is really very simple: to ensure that our simulation results are reliable for decision making. So today we are going to cover four main blocks. First, the basic principles of model building, verification and validation. Then, methods of conceptual and early validation. After that, quantitative and formal validation methods. And finally, we are going to talk about the fundamentals of a calibration process. So, as usually, I am demonstrating the slide simulation workflow just to position our topic which we are going to cover today. And as you are able to recognize, model validation, verification and calibration stage follows a model development. But in the same time, I would like to remind you that the following workflow is simplified, meaning that in real projects the stages often overlap and we may return to earlier steps many times. So let's try to dig inside the topic. So I have demonstrated the following picture already for several times, but a following picture is really very useful to understand the issue which is related with verification, validation and calibration. So a simulation model is a safe world where we can test ideas without real risk. But the decisions we make based on the model affect or impacts the real world, companies, people, costs, safety. If a model is not verified and not validated, its results can be misleading. And decisions based on such a model can lead to serious real-world consequences. That is why we must treat validation not as a formality, but as a critical responsibility in simulation studies.